What's up, guys? I'm at Skara Sommarland today. The main reason why I'm here today is for one coaster in particular, a Tranan, which is a super rare, one-of-a-kind SNS coaster. It's their Freefly model. It's the only one of that model that they've ever made. There's two other coasters here. I think there's a Mauer spinner and a mock powered coaster. But Tranan is the main reason why I'm here today. So the website has been saying that Tranan is temporarily closed, but I've been in contact with the park the past few days, and they're saying it's open. And I also ran into a group of coaster enthusiasts yesterday at Tusenfrid, and they said that they were here a few days ago and it was open. So it looks promising to me. All right, there's a Skara Sommarland over there. Let's go in it. So just walking around pretty shortly, this is a cute little park. Nothing too crazy, but like this, very well kept. It's actually kind of beautiful. It's kind of odd, like natural stuff. But yeah, we got the Mauer spinner here, which I've never seen a Mauer spinner with this kind of layout before. And then Tranan right over here, and she's open. So let's do Tranan first thing. I may have gotten a little carried away. I just did it 7 times, going back and forth between each side. There's 2 different sides of the station, since there's 2 different sides of the train you can ride on. Each side giving a little bit of a different experience on opposite sides of the rail. It's nothing mind-blowing, but it's just super unique and super cool. I really wish that SNS made more of this model. I'm pretty sure it's a discontinued model now, because this has been around for quite a bit. I don't remember the year off the top of my head. Ryan proposed right there. But it would be cool if SNS could either bring back this model or kind of revamp it to make it more modern, because it would be really cool to see more coasters like this around. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. There's 2 more coasters to ride here, which is a Mauer spinner and a mock powered coaster. So let's get a few rides in those. And I'll probably be back for a few more rides in this, and then we'll be done here for the day. It's kind of a short day today, because after I'm done here, then I'm going back to Liseberg. All right, so let's check out the other 2 coasters. the clearances on that were definitely not made for somebody to be holding out a camera like this, because there were a few supports where I like instinctually had to like move my hand in, because I could have sworn my hand was going to hit the support. So don't hold your hand out on the camera on that ride. Besides that, it's a spinning wild mouse. Not bad, not great. The brakes do hit a little bit hard, so brace for that. I also love the music that they're playing here. They're playing like all these like 80s and 90s music. I'm vibing with that. Alright, my last credit to get here today is Tranan, which is a mock powered coaster. Okay, I was not expecting this kind of theming in here, but this is pretty cool actually. That was cute. I didn't know that there was like a little indoor portion of the ride with some cheesy but cute theming. They tried at least. Kind of felt like an older mock-powered coaster. Nothing too special, but hey, +1, and we've been done. Alright, got about like another half hour before I wanted to try heading out of here, heading to Liseberg, so let's go ride Tranan a few more times. Can we talk about like how goofy these trains are? I mean, they're so silly, but I absolutely love them. There's so much character to them. And they got 4 of these trains too. There's 2 of them sitting in the loading bay there. And they're all different birds too. It's really cool. It's just a cute little detail that they didn't really need to do, but they did. I appreciate that. Alright, just did Tranan 4 more times. It's just a lot of fun. I could ride this thing all day and not get bored of it. Would be cool if it had a little bit of a longer layout, but I mean, it's a one-of-a-kind prototype. SNS didn't really know what they were doing with this thing, but it came out pretty cool. SNS, bring this model back and make more of these, please. Alright, well that's going to do it for my time here at Skara Sommarland. It's a cute little park, nothing too extraordinary, but I mean, you can tell it's definitely meant for younger families, but it's still a really neat place. If you're ever in the area as a coaster enthusiast, definitely give this place a visit. I know it can be risky as to whether Tranan will be open or not, but it's been pretty consistent this year so far, so from what I've heard. All right, ride for post, our ride count on top of Tranan over there. All right, guys, I've wrapped the video up here. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next loop. See ya.